According to the Health and Safety Executive, HSE, more than 1 million employees in the UK are exposed to levels of noise that could result in noise-induced hearing loss. The first step in complying with the law and controlling the risk is to establish if there are any noise-generating processes in the workplace by conducting a preliminary assessment. A good indication of excessive noise is if your employees have to raise their voices to have a normal conversation when 2 meters apart for at least part of the day.